Hey friends, if you wish to fix CLR error 8000405, the program will now terminate in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Here's what we have to do. First of all, we have a script for you to reset Windows Update components. Okay, so let us choose the script now. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here, hit enter. The script is in the description section of the video, so I'll tell you why this is significant. First, we will stop the processes associated with Windows updates. Then we will delete the Windows Update profile. Then we will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. Then we will re-register the DLLs. Then we will reset WinSock. Then finally we will restart the services. Now, in most of the cases, this should fix the problem. Why? Because we have basically performed every sort of troubleshooting associated with Windows updates. And the CLR error is a Windows update error. Okay, it says that the program will terminate, but it is associated with Windows updates. But if this does not help, then simply right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab, scroll down, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, and click on run corresponding to the Windows update troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.